This video is brought to you by SJKB Philippines. So SJKB Philippines is basically a Facebook page wherein it provides us with fun sharing, entertainment, news and public affairs, and as well as it welcomes small YouTubers like me to promote your YouTube channel and find new friends. So if you guys are interested to join our group, just click the link below down the description box. What's up mga kabananas? Ana Banana again here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be talking about the Desiccants or Silica gel like this. Yes, most of this one, nakikita natin patapon na siya. And don't you know that these are really useful, most especially in storing our mga gamit and some sort of like that. But then again, I want to inform everybody to keep this away from the reach of children because it is poisonous. So it says here, do not eat. Ayan. So bantayan nyo yung mga bata na huwag maabot mga to. So let's start with the uses of the silica gel. Pwede siyang gamitin sa mga bags natin, yung mga leather, ganyan. And like this, like the bag, you can put the silica gel inside to keep away moisture. Yan. Tapos, it prevents the bag from having molds. Ayan. So, the next use of this silica gel is for the dry pack case. I will just leave the link dyan sa taas. Yung video ko noon, I think 2 years ago or 1 year ago, yun, yung dry pack case. So, this is very important, most especially if you have DSLR cameras or your vlogging equipments. Para, like what I have said in that video, it stays away molds, most especially in the lens. Yan, yung mga lens natin. So, if you don't have the cabinet type, para sa anti-humidity, yan. So, kalimitan kasi yung mga cameras natin nagkaka-molds kasi kapag umulan sa labas tapos malamig, mainit, ganyan. Nagkakaroon ng molds yung lenses. So, to protect your cameras, use this silica gel. If you accidentally drop your cell phones into toilet bowls or swimming pool or any na tubig, nalubog yung cellphone nyo, you can use the Desiccants or silica gel. Put some silica gel inside a what you call that one? Yung pouch na sealable, airtight. Yan. Ilagay niyo yung Desiccants and then put inside your cell phones. Switch it off. Siyempre namatay na. Tanggalin niyo yung batteries it have. Yan. I-dry niyo muna completely with cloth. And then, put inside. Then, for 24 hours, ayan, wag ninyong i-blow dry ang inyong cell phones. Ayan. So, yan, number 3. Number 4 is, it protects your razor blades. Ayan. So, put it in a jar, put some silica gel, and then yung razor blades ninyo para maprotektahan siya from rust. Ayan. Next is, you can use Desiccants or silica gel to store your silver jewelries. Yeah. So you can put the silica gel inside the box together with your silver jewelries para maprotektahan siya sa mga molds din. Next is you can use Desiccants or silica gel in your shoes. Yeah. It removes odors, foul odors, mabanto na sapatos. And so you can put silica gel to absorb moisture. Next is if you want to store your precious pictures, photographs and then documents na noon-noon pang mga 19 kopong-kopong, mga titulo nyo ng lupa, ganyan. Put some silica gel para maprotektahan yung paper. Yan. Useful tips. Last one is, if you have a car, yan, tapos nagfo-fog siya sa inside, sa loob, tapos kasi malamig, ganyan, put some silica gel dun lang sa malapit sa windshield ninyo, yan, because it absorbs moisture. Yan. So, why is it silica gel is very important in absorption of moisture? Yan. So, because silica gel has millions of tiny pores, yan, yun ang nabasa ko, ha. So, it is a great way to absorb moisture. Yan. So, I hope, guys, I had helped you to find some uses of silica gel. Huwag niyo siyang basta itatapon kasi napaka-useful niya. I hope marami kayong natutunan for today. And I would like to thank again SJKB Philippines for sponsoring this video. And I hope you like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Anna Banana Vlogs. Until next time, don't forget to be good. Bye-bye!